What exactly is digital marketing? Margaret Dalton says, digital marketing is the marketing of services and products, utilizing electronic devices and the internet. Digital marketing has been around since the dawn of the internet. Digital marketing is a great way to reach out to customers and present them your product or service. With digital marketing, you can reach out to customers across the world, even if you're just starting out. The best way to become successful in digital marketing is to do your research. Look at the different techniques and features that are used in the digital market, and then learn how to use and implement them. Janet Jackson, SEO expert, says, digital marketing refers to the act of making use of digital technology to build and maintain relationships with customers. It includes activities such as creating content, developing effective marketing campaigns, and managing customer data. It is one of the most important aspects of business today, as it helps to connect businesses with their customers and drive sales. Digital marketing has become increasingly sophisticated over the past few years, and there are now a variety of tools and techniques that can be used to reach and engage customers. These include online ads as well as email marketing and social media marketing, web analytics, and much more. It is important to select the right approach for your business and use the latest technologies to reach more people. Digital marketing is an ongoing process, so make sure to revisit your strategies regularly to ensure that your customers are happy and your business is thriving. Jump Tech says, digital marketing is the term used for marketing products or services through computers and the internet. Digital marketing does not only use social media or Google AdSense for traffic generation. It is a way of reaching out to customers through different means of digital media. Digital marketing is used in social media, search engine optimization, search engine marketing, and mobile marketing. Digital marketing, also known as internet marketing, consists of marketing products or services using digital technologies, mainly on the internet, but also including mobile phones, display advertising, and any other digital medium. Most commonly, the term refers to marketing through search engines, especially pay-per-click, and is also used to describe marketing through social media sites, display advertising, and video marketing. This is a very broad topic and there are various types of digital marketing. Some examples are search engine marketing, SEM, search engine optimization, SEO, social media marketing, mobile marketing, content syndication, augmented reality, email marketing, online advertorials, display advertorials, info links, mobile advertorials, podcasting and video advertorials, digital out-of-home advertising, mobile marketing, mobile advertising. Thanks for watching our video on what exactly is digital marketing.